He did not come today.
But he was there. Sir, he messaged me just.
He come for science.
No, sir. Sir, you can. Sir, you can get this. I think we have been the arts.
Yeah. Vishita, after a long time, I'm seeing you. Why? Huh? What?
Sir, BTS.
You're not good. Now you're okay. Standard there, in brother only now. So I became to like Madam gets.
If I come that really value like
That is why you go out there and what the big was it? One the big come forward. Ishita, come forward. Hello? You are there, friend is there, no best friend. Kazim?
Yes.
I should not be quiet and sit over there. Yeah. You are not signed. All others are signed. There are 3 places here signed.
Yes.
Later you go and sign or go and sign and come back. Okay. Chalo. Oh. What is the cost of that pen scale? Huh?
12 rupees for everything is vigilance.
12 rupees, that's all. Yeah.
Sahi hai.
You are signing that green sheet. Okay. Huh? Oh, today more people.
Yes, sir. Sir, this one.
Yeah. Sit down now, listen all of you. You can kneel. Come in. Okay. Yeah, the graph. We have started with the statistics. Graph is done now. Graph part is done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Already know how to draw the histogram and yeah, listen. Somebody, if she talks, I will set you. Okay, make sure that she is not talking. Okay. Yeah. Now, so the statistics we not started bad. Running outside, no. Jalebi, how many jalebi?
Sir, no sweet, sir. Diet food, yeah.
Okay, no.
Cheating.
So, we quietly will draw the 3, okay?
Yes, sir.
Bridget, be careful with you talking and not talking. Ishmeet saying, let's start with this one. We have this one. Look here. We wrote here. We have done the histogram and cumulative frequency curve. Again, that will be coming over here. All of these signs that will be.
Yes, sir.
Why you're not there in the last lecture? Yeah. Now look, listen. So we are doing the central tendency part, measures of central tendency. That part we are going to discuss about. Okay, in that one, mean, median, and the mode. Okay, listen carefully. Volume we can later open. There is no need to open for the time. First time. Yeah. Over here, first thing is data. The different 3 ways you should remember. I think last class I said raw data.
Raw data.
Do you know what I mean by raw data? Just as it is, the value is given, it is called the raw data. Second one is called the frequency distribution. Tabulated data in frequency distribution means the X and the frequency is given. Third one is called the group frequency distribution. Class interval and frequency is given. These are the 3 types of the data it is given. Now we are going to study how to calculate mean, how to calculate median, how to calculate the mode in all the cases we are going to discuss. Okay, that is all. So for one by one we are going to do this. Certain part of the graph is not required. You can keep it inside the bag, but you have to bring the graph every day because again the graph part is coming. Okay, yeah. All of you can close the graph and put in your bag. Yeah. Still there, Shambhavi. Now you are talking. Okay, then. What happened?
What is it about?
Sir, about your topic.
Yeah. Yeah. Here, listen. Taken this one, open a notebook, write chapter heading, first heading, right? Mean.
You give it.
Sir,
Right,
please.
What I gave?
Mean.
Mean. Mean. Read what is written in your book.
You made after.
Huh?
No.
Yeah. Right. Chapter heading written mean.
So we wrote 3 lines.
What 3 lines he wrote.
So there are 3
So then below right now, one by one, we are going to discuss mean, right? For a raw data,
Sir, wait. No, pen. Sir, pen ka nikal do.
for a raw data, the mean is, for a raw data, mean is sum of the observations. Mean is sum of the observations divided by number of observations. In words itself we can write sum of the observations divided by number of observations. Sum of the observations divided by number of observations. Okay. Now the formula you write x bar is equal to, x bar means mean. The variable is x, so wherever bar means it is mean. Sigma you know how to write.
Sigma. Yes, sir. Sigma.
Sigma xi upon n.
sum of x I.
Okay. Sigma I upon n. In this one, let me explain one by one, those who don't know. X bar means what? Mean. Do you know what I mean by sigma xi?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by sigma xi?
The summation of
Sum of all the x values, observations.
Sir, what is n? Number of.
That's coming now. Next is n. N means total number of observation, count and tell. Okay. Now, over here, listen. Sigma represents summation. Some sigma represents what? Summation. Suppose it is given us, find the mean of all the even natural numbers from 1 to 10. So which are the even natural numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this mean you have to find out. Basically, you have to add and divide by how many?
Sir,
How?
Sir, what is I represent?
Listen now. This is called x1. This is called x2. This is called x3. X4, X5, 5 observation. Xi means X1, X2, X3, etc. In sigma basic concept, listen all of you. Somewhere you will see this way, sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi. Means its meaning is starting point is 1 and ending at n. That means it is x1 plus x2 plus x3. I value will from where to where? 1 to n. If it is instead of n, let's say 1 to 6. Means what are the values? X1 plus x2 plus x3 till where? X6. Suppose if I start I is equal to 4, 4 to 6. X4 plus x5 plus x6. Are you followed now? Okay. Here it is coming as a just this much means all sum of all the observations. Somewhere you will see this much only. Sigma of x. That also meaning is all either this way or this way with I is equal to 1 to n. All of them same meaning. Understood, Pratik now? Yes or no? Not followed. When sigma means sum of the observations, remember. So what is sigma xi mean? What do you do over here? That is sigma xi means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. That is equal to, you can add 6, 10, 20, 30. Okay, what is the value of n? Count. 5 are there. Therefore, x bar is equal to sigma xi upon that is 30 by 5, which is equal to 60. Are you followed how to apply? Then what in a?
The step which you told now, the second formula.
There is no second formula, or one same formula. As this notation, different places you will see its actual meaning is this one. I is equal to 1 to n xi. Value of I start from 1. All natural number from 1 to till where? N.
Infinite.
N, not infinity. N. N maybe it is 20 means 1 to 20. If n is equal to 6 means 1 to 6. Here it is 1, n is 5. 1 to 5 means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5. This is the value of x1. This is x2, x3. X1 means first observation. X2 means second. Are you followed now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to decide n means how many are there? If another question was 10, 12, and 14. Then n is equal to how much? 7. So 1 to 7. Understood or not?
Sir, I will write.
What is there to write? Listen, this is 9th standard work only.
Yes.
Okay, now this is those who want. This is the formula how to apply. These same things are there in the exercise. Again, it will come. Any problem? Formula followed. Remember this formula. Now, written. Now some certain property you write down. Completed. Then I will take the property.
Sir, return, sir.
Total. Now right. Property.
Properties of mean.
Mean. To each observation, all the properties joined and I'll give. To each observation, if we add to each observation, if we add, comma, subtract, multiply, or divide. To each observation, if we add, comma, subtract, multiply, or divide by a fixed number. By a fixed number. The mean also changes accordingly. The mean also changes accordingly. Are you followed what is written?
Yes.
Those are not followed, look here. Mean also changes accordingly. Look, from this example itself, I'll tell you. These are the 5 numbers are given. One fixed number I am going to add. Let's say 3 is added. This will come 5, this will come 7, this will be 9, this will be 11, and this is 30. If we find out its mean, it will be same as 6 plus 3, 9. Understood? If everything is added by 3, the mean also will be automatically added by 3. Understood now? That's
Sir.
meaning. If everything is subtracted by, let's say 2, then what will be the new mean? 6 minus 2, 4. Are you followed?
Yes.
Sir.
Pratik, are you followed? Okay. If everything is multiplied by 3, then mean will be 6 into 3, 18. If everything is divided by 2, mean will be 6 by 2. What is 3? Anyone having a doubt? How it is coming and all? Any problem which is there, tell me. Remember this property. Okay? Because you know why I'm telling you have this time MCQs and all parts are there, 1 mark questions and all. This way the questions will come, you have to know these all properties. Any problem?
No, sir.
This one I don't need to explain anything, no? Now, second one. You want to write anything? Ayush. Next. Below, that is this is for the raw data you wrote. Next one. For a frequency distribution.
Let's say property.
No, property is all. These all together I made one property. Okay. Next. For a frequency distribution, mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi. Mean comma x bar is equal to sigma x fi xi upon sigma fi. For a frequency distribution, mean x bar is equal to sigma fix. Look at here and write sigma fixi upon sigma fi.
Yes, sir.
Written all of you?
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes.
You cannot know sigma fi left out is xi. You get it now? Yes. This is like this way. Sin theta by cos theta. You can cut now theta. Yes, cancel. Can you
No,
cut this?
sir. No, sir.
If this way means that's also possible.
That's-
Okay. Then it is x bar equal to xi. You mean it's no wrong. You cannot cancel. Now listen. All come to know yourself. Now look. What do you mean by sigma fi? Sum of all f values, frequencies. What is the meaning of fi xi? Sum of all fx values. Product and added. I'll show the table and I'll explain once again. Those are not followed. Okay, so this is together. It is the addition of all fi xi. This addition of all fi. We cannot cancel. What is the meaning of fi? F is the frequency, right? Where fi is the frequency of xi. Where fi is the frequency of xi. Fi is the frequency of xi. Now look here. Some in the book you may see fx upon sigma f. I may not be there. There is no problem. Okay. So even sigma fx up or xf x into f. The question how it is coming as, for example, a simple example. If x f or xi fi, the value is given as 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, okay, and 3, 4, 6, okay, 2, 4, 7, 5, 3, 4, 6, 7, 5. Understood or not? Now, for this one, listen. This is called what type of distribution? Frequency distribution. Why it is called frequency distribution? These frequencies are given. Means, do you know what is the meaning of this one? 3 is repeating how many times? 3 times. 5 is repeating how many times? 10 is repeating? Understood or not? This is called the frequency distribution. Now, what we need to apply this formula? Sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Sigma means what? Summation. This value we get as this is called sigma of fi. If you add this one, what will you get? Sigma of xi. Do we need sigma xi? Not required. Now, how to get fi xi means we will multiply fi multiplied. 3 multiplied by 3, 5 multiplied by 3, then 42, 56, If you add whatever this is called sigma fi. Are you followed? You cannot cancel. Are you followed? So whatever addition you can do, whatever answer, divide. Follow the method.
Yes, sir.
Doubt. Doubt is there, raise and I'll explain again. All of you follow how to apply this one.
Yes.
No problem. When question comes, you will be in a place to do. So this one, what happened? What do you not understand? This is a formula. This is a question. And this is the way solving. This will be given. This will be given. So you have to make the table FIXI. FIXI means multiply this and this. This is 5 into 420. Addition will get the sum of this value. Means how much? 3 plus 4, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 7, 20, 25, 27. This is called sigma FIXI. Add all these things. That is the value. Use the formula and substitute and calculate. Understood or not? Okay, all of you.
Yes, sir.
That you will do it. Okay. Whether is clear? Now, next, listen. Whatever it is. Okay. Now listen. Now over here, listen carefully. In this here, what is the value of n? 6.
6. So not 6, 12.
6, 12.
12.
So here, right, in the book, right, where n is sigma fi.
Number.
Right, where n is equal to sigma fi. What is the meaning of n? Number of observations. That means you people are not thinking and doing. That is a problem. Now, what is the meaning of this one? Suppose these are the marks. These are the number of students. Means n means what? Number of students. How many students are there?
620.
Only there are 3 students are getting how many marks?
3 marks.
3 marks. 4 students are getting 5 marks. 6 students are getting 7. Like that. So how many students are there? Total of this one. N is always remember n means sigma fi. Wherever you see, okay, don't count this one. How did you get somebody said 12? Who said 12? I can understand you. I can understand this one. This counting and then that is something. But what? Okay, now. All right. Okay. Now I just wanted to know how you got it. That's it. Okay. Now listen and wait. Okay. Now this part it is clear. Razim. Yeah.
Yes,
All fine now.
sir, the concept is clear.
Okay. Now, chalo. Listen. You know why website is there? There is something recording is going. Already certain complaints are reached. Because you know some parents has to come and see the video of the page. Yeah, Panga, father Panga will come and show you. Right? Okay, now. Here. Listen. Who is making this Papa Panga? Yeah. Okay, now. Next. Right now. Right. So this is second method also for now the third one. For the group frequency distribution. You know what is the meaning of group frequency distribution? Class interval and frequency. It may be continuous or discontinuous, both of them. Paritosh. For the group frequency distribution. Listen, there are 3 ways to find the mean. All the 3 ways you know, you should know.
Yes.
Today we will discuss the first method, right? Direct method. Direct method. For a group frequency distribution, direct method. X bar is equal to formula. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Same formula. Sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Written fi all of you know. Now xi is there class interval we have. You don't have x values. Previously you have seen x. Right? What is xi? Where xi is the class mark. Where xi is the class mark. Who knows what I mean by class mark? One. Okay. All of you be quiet. All of you be quiet. Minus or plus? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Minus means it is plus size will come. Okay. Class mark means lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. This is the one. Are we followed? Once if you get the value of this one xi, then the same method you will apply. Is it clear? If you want to show, I'll just show us a small example, isn't it? Let's see. This is the class interval. So this is coming here, let's say 3, 7, 6, 8. Okay. Okay, now look here. Brother, exchange offer is going on. Yeah. Okay now. Now look here. What yeah. Now look. This is the question will be given. Later down as are not followed. Listen over here. Okay. First is we have to find out the value of xi. Xi means class mark. How will you get the class mark? 0 plus 10 by 2. 5. 10 plus 20 by 2. Now listen here. Once if you get this one, it is equally spaced means automatically 10 will not. 25. 25. Okay. You check adding that one. Generally it is. Now, so you got the value. Now to get this one, we need fi xi. So we'll find out fi xi. 5 3s are 15. 15 times are 70. Okay now we need the summation of fi. Summation of this one. So this is 20. Okay. 200, 300. 390. Sigma fi is equal to how much? 20. Sigma fi xi 390. Formula right, x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, which is equal to 390 divided by 20. That is equal to 19.2. Understood all of you? Okay. Now look here, when calculating the mean, check what about the units are given. If the units are given, you write that way. Suppose it is given the following class interval is a mark, then you write this is mean marks. Sometimes rupee value is rupee, some rupees expenditure or something. That means rupees like that. Okay, this method is clear. So mean by direct method, all of you followed. Any clarification is required?
No, sir.
Anyone, this one, all the 3 methods are clear.
Yes, sir.
Remember, according to the table given, you have to use a formula. Okay, so open your volume.
Okay, sir.
First exercise. I given one method, later I'll give you another method. 2 more methods are there, I will let you know. Well, let's this one. If you are doing the question now, similar question coming from the exercise will do. Yeah, exercise 24.1. Naira, read the first question. Yeah. The page. Yeah. Akshay. Yeah, read.
Find the mean set of numbers
6, 9, 11,
Sir, very
and 12 and 7. Write the step of the sigma xi is equal to find out and find out. X 9. Find out. Ayush.
Sir, could be the right or
Possibly be quiet. Pratik, if you are quiet means after problem will be solved. Then second is the Ayush.
45.
Okay, addition done.
45.
What we got 45.
Yes, sir.
I need the step this way.
Sir, I'm doing directly.
There is no direct things. Razim, read the second question.
If the mean of 6, 4, 7, A and 10 is 8,
6, 4, 7,
A and 10 is 8.
A and 10. Okay. Is
Find the
8.
value of it.
Okay. What is it? What? Find?
Value of A.
Okay, explain Razim. What is given in the question? Tell. Razim, stand up. Tell what all things are given.
The value of X.
What is this 8?
Sir, it is the mean.
So first you can write x bar is equal to 8. Then sigma xi is equal to sum of all these. Sit down. Find out. And n is equal to how much? Substitute in the formula. Add all the values. 6 plus 4, 10, 20, 27 plus 8. Who said that 27A? 27 plus A, be careful. N is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X bar is equal to sigma xi upon n.
Sir,
Therefore, 8 is equal to 27 plus A divided by 5. 8 5s are 40. 13.
sir, but how X bar is 8 and not?
Did you read the question? Did you read the question? If you don't know further meaning, you have to learn English. All of you got the answer? No problem. Third one. Varun, read the third question.
The age of 43 girls are given in the following table. Age in years, 12.
What is going on there? 3 girls are talking there. 2. Who is the 2?
Sir, kitty party.
Pratik, stand up. Pratik, stand up. I can't see you. Stand up there. Who made you the in charge of the girls and all? So I'll give the duty. Maximum they stand over there. No, sir. I'll arrange when they go to what room you stand over. Huh? I said lot of times you mind your work. You don't need to pass it comments. I'll read the one mobile number I'll take. Huh? Mobile number I take. Done. So make the table and all of you do it. Those who don't know, question is there in front of you, you are copying only. What you are waiting for, Ishita, what you are waiting? Okay, I will write everything and you copy down. Then table even you have not made. We do not see from the book what is which one we have been on. Huh? Here the graph page for the graphics here. Here that. Yeah. Values are given as 12, 13, 14. Even by copying the question and also they have 16, 17. 2, 4, 6, 9, 8. The table is compulsory, you have to make the table and you have to multiply and write. Hello? Now you will be, I think I have to send you out from the class. You why you have to tell all these numbers? You think you are the only one multiplication now? Yeah. You're the only one knows multiplication now. Some people are just waiting out there, that's why I made the table. Addition, writing, copying the table, even it's a difficult. Multiplication also has to be copying. Addition, you have to do both. Pratik. Summation done. 39. What is the question?
38 out of 40 students are given for the
Who got the 39? Who got it in 39? No, 39. Who got the summation of FIXI?
6 plus 9.
Rather 600.
Sir, 16.
634.
Who's that 6? Hello, please don't shout around answers, all of you. Just find out yourself. On addition 39 read. Then write the pillar, you write. Therefore, sigma Fi is equal to 40. Sigma Fi Xi 614. X bar is equal to 50. So it is coming as 307 by, that is 30.7 by 2. Now read the question. If any units are given, you have to write that unit. Okay, if there anything is given about, nothing is mentioned over there. Age, so right, mean age is equal to 15.35 years. Ages of 40 students now. So you write the unit also, mean age is equal to 15.35 years. Compulsory you have to write. Okay. Completed all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Switch off this. What is it? Yeah. Next. Next question. Paritosh, read the question.
Yes. If 69.5 is the mean of 72, 76,
Okay, no need to read the values. Okay, then
find the value.
find the value of x. The method is same method. Okay, what is 69.5? Okay, so right, all of you write x bar is, write down all of you, x bar is equal to 69.5. This I am not going to do it on the board. Sigma xi is equal to, add all these values. Sigma xi is equal to 72 plus 70 plus x plus 62 plus 50 plus 71 plus 90 plus 64 plus 58 plus 82. Those who are not, you look in your book and do. I need everyone to be addition and all, you have to do it. Hello. No need to shout the answers. Who is Harshit? Why are you talking there? Arshita, Ishita, all have to do the sum. Not that I am going to do. I'm coming there. Who is that? Shh. Who is that? Different book, there are 6 different answers I have seen now. Please check your additions again. First, once again, check the question you written correct. Digits don't make mistake.
Sir got the answer.
Hello. Quietly do the work. Harshit done the summation. How many of you got the summation?
76.
Who is that?
Rayu, where are you?
You all know summation, addition, no? Very good. Addition, 10 standard only. Harshit, I will see your notebook. Addition. Yeah, addition is coming as 619 plus x. Is that how many of you got this answer?
Yes, I got one.
Sir, forgot answer.
N is equal to 10. Cross multiply 695 equal to 619 plus x. So 695 minus 619. X equal to 96.
Yes, sir, got this.
Calculation, please do it yourself. Because you know, majority one or two will do, and others will just copy down from the board. That's why I'm not doing. Yeah, completed all of you. Yeah. Harshit, read the next question. What is the table?
Weekly wages 50 to 55.
50 to 55 till where?
The 90.
85 to 90 or 90 to 95?
85 to 90.
Class interval, don't miss the class intervals. Frequencies tell
Sir, 520,
520.
10, 10,
Mhm,
9, 6,
mhm.
12, 8.
Okay. This is the value is given. No.
Step deviation method.
No step deviation method. We are going to do it by direct method. Understood or not? Did you read the question? How many methods are there? Okay. So first is xi you have to find out. All of you know how to find out xi?
Yes, that's it.
50 plus 55 divided by 2. 105 divided by 2 is 52.5. 55 plus 60 divided by 2. 57.5. Now look here. Now automatically you can see everything is plus 5 plus 5. So just add plus 5. 62.5, 67.5, 72.5.
Sir,
70.
50 plus 5 upon 2.
Addition divided by 2. Okay. 82.5, 87.5. We have one more column here to make FIXI. All of you do the multiplication. After that, I need the summation of these. Who has a problem? What is your problem?
Sir,
As if 50 plus 55, that is 105, divided by 2 is 52.5. 55 plus 60, understood? That is 170, sorry, 115 divided by 2. You can see 5 is added. FIXI multiply 262 point. Look here, when you write this decimal also, all of you listen. You have to add all these. So write in the same line. Like leave some space. 262.5. So that you know in the decimal put in the same line. So that your calculation will be easy. Second value got 1, 1.
5, 0.
You look right. Write in a proper order so that addition will be easy. You will not make mistake.
Yes, sir.
Do it. 2 minutes. Why you are looking at the multiplication? Why? Who is that? You also started. Azim, let him multiply himself. Yes. Completed.
Yes, sir.
So question write in your notebook.
Yes, sir.
Sir, done, sir.
Addition, write the consonants of it.
Addition.
So multiplication done, then addition of sigma fi and sigma fi xi. See, do your work. You think that you are the only one knows multiplication and all? Oh, another one. Yeah, I know. Multiplication copied from here. Addition also copied from here. Answer behind. Examination also, these all facilities are given. How many of you completed the multiplication? You read all the multiplication values?
The FX.
Oh,
262.5,
hmm.
1150.0,
Okay,
625,
okay.
675,
675.
652.5,
652.5.
465.0,
465.
0.0,
Okay.
990.0,
990.
yes, and
Okay.
700.0.
700. 700 now. Who got 800? Answer he got. Addition, how many have you done? Addition, FIX also do it. You have done both additions? Yeah. 5520.
I got the wrong one.
Multiplication is correct.
5520.
5520.
Yes, sir.
So X sigma Fi is equal to 80.
Yes, sir.
Sigma Fi Xi is equal to 5520. X bar, where is the formula? Five 520 divided by 80. 0 cancel 560. 79. Just look at the question. What do you have to find out? Find the weekly wage now. So weekly wage is equal to average weekly wage is equal to how much? 69 rupees. Those who are completed, please stand up. Average weekly wage is equal to 69 rupees. Completed, please stand up. Still I'm waiting for the other group. Pratik,
Yes, sir.
you are completed and standing.
Yes, sir.
Please come here.
Okay, sir.
Still, how many people are sitting and doing the work? Harshit from this side. Acha. Ah. Okay. You are still doing? Okay. All of you, stop writing. Sit down. Okay. This one only breathe. Yeah. I'll just one multiplication I'll give. Multiplication, remember, you are studying in 10th standard, the question is 4th standard. Okay. So time will be okay, you also go back. 2 minutes time.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Bolo, sir. Yes, sir.
Multiply and the time started. No noise should come from any side. Pratik, I will not check your book now. If you are sure means you close the book. Later don't tell sir it's wrong.
Sir, done, sir.
Those who feel correct means close the book. You have 30 seconds more. Don't look into others' books. Close the book and those who feel, hello, I said no need to see in your friend's book and compare the answers. Those who are completed can stand there. Still you have 15 seconds more, complete the work. Don't look into your friend's book. Both are equally wrong or both are equally correct. Even same answer does not mean that both are correct. I can see the same answers and Arshita, you are why you are standing there? Sit and complete your work. How many more to stand? Yeah. All of you can open your book. I'll read one numbers. Those who got the same answer, please sit down. Okay. 688 926. No. 698 926. 926.
6888
Hello, 689 326. What is your answer?
Very good. 36944.
No. Now look here. Multiplication of 5th standard only has. Okay, beyond the standard. Okay, I could have put decimals and all I do it. That's the risk now. This is why I actually asked you people. These are the things you do in the exam. And there is a that is there you can see statistics involvement of decimals are there. So please practice while doing the statistics sum. While doing the statistics sum, in the class, I'm giving enough time, ample time for you people. Please do it yourself, not that others will do, then I will disturb you down. It's not going to help you. Please do it. Practice for today. Nobody has done it. Now.
So now I got the.
Practice for you have to do it. All right.